Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 193%1 is not a valid Win32 application error bad extension format. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes, and the first one is download the installer file compatible with the system. If you're trying to install any apps or programs and having such type of error code appear, then you must download the installer file compatible with the system. How to know your system type? Right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type ms-info32 and click on OK. Here you will find your system type, and you can easily see your system type is 64 based PC. If you find your system type successfully, then download your program files of capacity. If the system type is 64 bits, then you should download the 64-bit installer file. And if the system type is 86 bits, then you should download the 32-bit installer file. Make sure that you must follow such instructions based on your system type. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to your problematic app, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility section, click on it and first run compatibility troubleshoot and make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against run this program as an administrator. So try to run your programs and apps as administrator mode. Finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system. Here, go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. From the left side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Temporarily disable your antivirus program Windows Defender Firewall. If you have already installed a third-party antivirus, then disable it temporarily. And after your work is finished, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall. And check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. These three DISM tool one by one: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And after successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and accordingly repair them. After that, restart your system. Your problems